Hello traders, welcome to ChrisFX. Have you ever been in this scenario where you identify your support or resistance areas or order blocks or whatever else you are trading, and price then comes back, it gives you a small retracement and then it stops you out. It goes to the next area, which doesn't matter if we call it a support or resistance zone or if we call it John or Mike or whatever. Price reacts, then it penetrates the area. Then it does the very same thing over here, or a little bit below, and so on and so forth. That way you get stopped out of your trades again and again and again without the opportunity to enter winning trades, and you keep losing and losing and losing. And then once you reach, for example, a situation where price is gonna react from one of your order blocks, let's say, or FVGs or whatever, and when this is the one that is gonna run, you have taken so many losses until here, you have lost 6, 7, 8 positions, that now you are cutting this one very short and you are taking only a 1 or a 2-to-1 reward to risk. This is not a proper way to trade. More likely than not, this is happening to you as of the making of this video, and I'm gonna show you a trick on how to fix it. Let's begin with the video. And what I'm gonna be doing with this strategy, I am gonna stay just on the 5-minute time frame. I will start zoomed out. I'm not gonna overcomplicate things, and I will tell myself that where are areas, order blocks, let's say in this occasion, where people are gonna be entering buys. This is an area, as an example, exactly right here. And if I move a step beforehand, such as in this area right here, you will see that we indeed had a retracement, a reaction from this area. Now you know that 99% of the people, if not more, of retail traders are entering their buys exactly right here, and they're targeting, they told them that they can target these areas all the way up here. Let's see now what is happening. Okay, there you go, still not out. Now they are out of the trades. And there is a secret to this strategy, and I absolutely mean it. I'm not gonna teach it for free. I don't know if I'm gonna be teaching this one at all actually, but the secret to this strategy combines two different time frames and the rules that I'm teaching, which you can find by entering the ChrisFX Academy or by booking a one-on-one mentoring with me, where I have 100% satisfied customers. Until this point in time, I had 0 unsatisfied customers. All of them were extremely satisfied. For the time being though, I will tell you that I'm gonna show you this strategy only on the 5-minute time frame, and I keep moving forward. What I want to see with this strategy, I cannot just go ahead and enter blindly, but I will tell you what you can do. I will go back in time again. And now you will say this is all in retrospect. Of course, yes, I have seen those examples. So in this regard, this is all in retrospect. Nonetheless, at the very same time, it is also not. You know, as we said, that people entered buys and they're targeting this high all the way up here. What will more likely than not happen, you will see those getting stopped out. Now, when you see price stopping them out impulsively, such as in this occasion, and here we are at 430 as an example, what you can do, you can either enter here, let's say, from this FVG with a stop loss above the area, or you can even enter closer to this area. Let's say that you enter from this area right here. There you go. The stop loss, of course, can go right above this previous high, as you see it right here. What else do you know right now? Let's just analyze the market together. This, of course, you can extend, you can close for as much as you want. I will leave that running for the moment. You know that people again bought here. When they saw this candlestick, they bought again. We are just analyzing the 5-minute time frame. What would happen? Price would come and stop them out. Okay, what you will say, I am gonna enter from this FVG again. Another trade. Let's see, at some point you will get stopped out also with this strategy. It's not a 100% strategy. There you go, you are into the trade, and you are also in this trade. Okay, now you are stopped out from this trade, but we are not finished, guys. Let's say that the first one you closed at break even in this occasion and you took one loss. This is absolutely fine. You still have the premise that people now, what they did, they said, okay, we have this remaining order block down here this week, so they went long here. So what you are trying to do with this strategy is to catch the actual move, and the actual move is a bearish move. It's not a bullish move in this situation. So you have a break even here, you have a loss right here that we saw. Okay, I will delete those two and I will keep moving forward. What you want to see now, because again you know that people went long right here and they are targeting again all the way up there, you want to see a change of character towards the downside. Of course, you can take your trade exactly right here already, but what I will show you that you should probably wait. It is better if you wait for impulsive changes of character, as we saw exactly right here. Look how impulsive this one was. Look how impulsive this first one was, with two very impulsive candlesticks, and we took this trade, which was a break-even trade. Of course, if you are targeting a one-to-one, this would be a winning trade. Then the second one, you see, I'm taking you step by step, was not very impulsive as a break. Okay, so the second one was over here. It left just this FEG, which is actually quite good. We would take it as a trade. So let's say that you have one loss, as we said. What I will expect will be a very impulsive change of character towards the downside again. Now, let's see. Okay, still. Okay, this now has absolutely left without us, but what we can do in this occasion, we can take the trade, let's say, from somewhere around this area, or we can even take it from this order block over here. Or what you can do, you can take the trade from this breaker. Let's see if the breaker gets hit actually. This is the most important thing, as I have shown in another video only on the 15-minute time frame. In this occasion, the stop loss was very high, so I will be entering from the breaker, and you have a perfect activation, absolutely perfect activation from the breaker block. Now, what you will do in this occasion, you can close this trade or manage it however you want, you can let it run. You can say what you will be saying, you will be identifying areas to the left where people will be entering more buys. So this is an area, and this whole area is an area where people will be buying. Okay, so let's wait for the very same thing to happen. Let's wait. Okay, here we will be expecting the exact same thing, a reversal with a change of character towards the downside. If we see that, we will be entering another trade. Here we cannot enter a trade. In this occasion, there is the price left a lot, but here price, let's delete that, is reacting one more time. People are buying here again. Let's wait for an impulsive change of character. This is not impulsive, people are still buying here. Okay, this could be our change. This is our change of character. This now is going to eat the stop losses from those people who bought exactly right here, and they targeted, of course, all the way up there. What you can do in this occasion, there is a high probability that price will not be coming back. You can take the trade here with a stop loss right above this area. So let's see if price will come back. Price, as you see, does not come back, guys. And it does continue with the bearish movement. Of course, now you can have a bunch of ways to manage those trades. Do not let those trades come back and stop you out. But you will see that here we would have gone if we would have let those trades running. So actually we had the loss at the beginning. You have a 5-1 from this one, but you have to let the trades run or close partials, in my opinion, along the way. And this is a full 2-1 reward to risk, and of course if we extend it, we don't know for how long they're gonna play out. You have a 6-1 and a 7-1 almost, and a 3-1 reward to risk. Now, what do you see here? If I am to see this movement, if I delete everything, let's say that we have closed profits from those trades, what do you see down here? You see another order block. Extend that to the right. Those order blocks that are all the way to the left, they're not just immediate areas to the left, such as, let's say, an immediate area to the left is this one, from here to here, or from here to here. When this is all the way back, this is the best thing for retail traders to lose money. And yes, there are strategies to make money from these moves, and I'm teaching the first strategies that I teach in the ChrisFX Academy are exactly strategies such as this one, and this would qualify actually as an order block. But when you see movements like that, expect people to be greedy, even in these winning, let's say, movements. Expect them to be greedy and target all the way up there. And what do you see again? You have two opportunities to enter. One is this impulsive change of character, exactly right here. And you can enter from this FEG. Okay. And this went up to 6-1 reward to risk. And then when price left again, you have your second opportunity. You are going against everyone else. This is exactly what you are doing. And your second opportunity was from this impulsive change of character that happened exactly right here. And there you have this beautiful trade running. So what you're doing, you're going opposite. And let's say if we have another opportunity, yeah, here you can say, I'm not trading support and resistance. It has been 3 years since I was trading this thing, but you can say with this strategy, even ICT traders, even smart money traders, let's say that I am trading ICT concepts in general, but not his strategies exactly. I have my own strategies. You can say though, what is price doing? When you see a reaction, instantly tell yourself, let's look to the left. Okay, you can say retail traders see this as resistance becomes support. So what I'm gonna do, believe it or not, I'm gonna wait for a change of character, and again we're using only one time frame. And when I see the change of character, impulsively, which happened here, I am gonna be entering my short instead of longs. I will be entering from the breaker now. I got activated, just got activated, as you can see in this trade, and the spreads will have activated me for sure. And there you go, guys. The very same thing is happening again and again and again. You can look then to the left and you can say, here there is another area. What are people doing here? They are buying. What I'm gonna be doing, but I need to see a fair value gap, such as in these occasions, okay, or a breaker block, an impulsive change of character, I'm gonna be selling. Let's see if we have the opportunity to sell. We want to see an impulsive change of character towards the downside. We are in the current price action right now, so we don't know what is gonna be happening, but I showed you how many opportunities of trades. Here you would have a trade as I showed you, and here we had another trade, and we had the two winning trades that you saw beforehand. Okay, the two winning trades that we started from all the way up here, one here and one here. So I showed you all those trades just on one time frame by going opposite to what all the other traders are doing. And what I want from you right now is to go to the other channel, the SMC Trader, and check out the backtesting for this strategy. Furthermore, go ahead right now and click on the copy trading link that you see down in the description and join my copy trading absolutely for free, where I manage my capital, I manage your capital on a regulated broker, and how I make money is just by splitting the profits with you. But you don't need to do absolutely anything. You let my expertise and my experience play out, and I am making the profits. You are just chilling and we are splitting the profits. Also, subscribe to ChrisFX for more free educational content. This is gonna do it for today, traders, and thank you all for watching. Until next time.